Don't need it. Logan Paul. Stomach growling. Why would you eat that? Why? Why? It's nasty. Why he got Logan Paul though? Thumbnail. Title. Listerine. Oh my god. Bourbon? Nasty? Finally did something right. Brush your teeth. Then you gonna probably eat it. Gonna bite it. Ugh. I thought he was gonna bite it. Trick me. Floss. What's wrong with Logan Paul? Ugh. 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 That is nasty. It's nasty, y'all. Oh my goodness. They're gonna eat the whole thing. Oh, this is nasty. It's like by far the worst one almost, man. Always eating the tops and stuff. Why? You gonna give it to the Venus? The Venus? That's nasty. That is freak. Dang. Poor Logan Paul. Oh my god. That's just nasty, man. I ain't got nothing else to say, man. It's just freaking nasty, man. But make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Peace.